everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up 24 Ink T-shirt of the month club. So this is a monthly subscription, but you can also get it quarterly. So like the name suggests, you get a shirt every month based on a profile, and the monthly cost is $17.99, or you can get it seasonally or every 3 months for $19.99. I will leave the link down below if you're interested. You also get another goodie each month, and I've been loving this. They're good quality, they're awesome. So we're gonna open this today and I will try on the shirt we got. So yeah, let's get started. They always have cute bags. I love the butterflies. Ooh, it looks like there's butterflies in here too. So everything is in here. There's always a card with like little fun facts and stuff. I love it. Let's see what we've got. They give you care instructions. So right on top we have beautiful. So this is something new they started, was it last month? Last month they gave me this right here. I had it right here and I remembered last minute to grab it. So every month you can change it out. Ooh, I really like this one. The colors. So last month it said, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. So this is super cute. And you can also use this for like pictures and maybe your tarot card of the day or something like that. Awesome. So not only do they have subscription services, they also do custom designs. So they have that little thing here. And we have a t-shirt and then another goodie. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is, yeah. So we'll look at the extra goodie first. How about it? Looks like we have a little fan. How does this work? Oh, here. Oh my God, and is it a butterfly? Oh. How cute is this? I'm actually sweaty. I just had to turn off the air. It's hot season already here in Florida. I guess it always is. I'm South Florida. But this is gonna be so nice when I'm filming because the air is really loud. It's like right above here. So I just turn off, but still I get a little sweaty. Oh my God, this is so nice. Emmy, do you like it? She's like, what are you doing? Oh, I thought she wouldn't like the fan. She doesn't mind it. This is so cute. Oh yeah, it feels good. Awesome. And now let's get to the main event, the shirt. Ooh. I think there's a butterfly on it. Maybe a couple. Oh my gosh. How cute. What does it say? Dare to transform? I love that. Butterflies represent transformation, if you guys don't know. You probably do. You know how it goes from a caterpillar to goes in the chrysalis and comes out a beautiful butterfly. I love the symbolism of butterflies. I love butterflies in general. This is so cute and I love what it says. Oh my gosh. So I get a medium for reference. I would say it fits true to size, but you can look on their website. Well, again, I'll link it down below to look at like the size chart. And this is made from 100% cotton. I love that. I try and have natural fabrics mostly. But let's put it on. Oh my God, so cute. I like really quickly just put on a little bit of makeup. I didn't have any on earlier. Let's try not to get it on the shirt. I'll put it on my head. I think I did it successfully. This is so cute. And I would say this definitely does fit true to size. At first I was like, oh God, I hope my zipper's up. Let me move this back a little bit. But yeah, super good quality. I love this, 100% cotton. Oops, I have a crystal in my pocket. It's coming out. But I think this is super cute. I love butterflies so much. I love the message, dare to transform. So what do you guys think? That is everything for today, guys. I love this. I mean, I feel like this is great for anyone. Like, we all pretty much wear t-shirts, right? I'm sure there's some like bougie people that only dress up. But like, it's great. And they have like sizes for kids to like 2X or some larger size as well. So they're pretty size inclusive. But again, I will link them down below. Thank you 24 Ink for sending this to me. I love it. This might be one of my favorites that I've gotten. I've gotten a lot of good ones. If you guys have seen, I have a playlist. But yeah, I've liked every single one, honestly. And there's all different styles too. Like I've gotten a long sleeve in the winter. I've gotten tanks, one that was like more cuffed. I've gotten V-necks. Yeah, well, I think my favorite that I wore the most often, at least, if we're going by that, sorry, I'm like crooked, I can tell, was a black V-neck. They had like little flowers on it. At first I was like, wait, did they have a butterfly? No, it was like a spring theme and stuff like that, flower theme. But anyways, I'm digging this. I love it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely check them out if you're interested. And I think I was getting at this, it would be a great gift, but I like trailed off because I'm like so scattered today. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I hope I will see you in the next one tomorrow. I love you. Bye.